Good day. How to solve PayPal account permanently limited account. Permanently limited PayPal account. How to solve it and withdraw your funds. As you can see it, this account was permanently limited. I have 1,695 PayPal account. As you can see the fund withdrawal. As you can see the balance. So, and I will show you. As you can see it, here is it. You can't use PayPal anymore. The value is safety and blah 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 blah. And after 180 days, they send me a notification that I can withdraw the funds. So I just click on my card, viewer, and that's how I withdraw the funds from this PayPal account. If you are unable to withdraw your own funds, you can reach out to me and I'll help you withdraw your funds. Click the link, click the contact in the description. You will see it there, I pin it. I can help you to withdraw your funds. Have a nice day. Bye for now.